Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Vivomove 3S and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by tapping on the bottom of the screen. You need to double tap it. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold on the screen to open the menu. Once the menu opens, swipe left or right on the screen, scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter. And the first icon in the settings will be the Do Not Disturb mode icon, the icon that looks like the moon. And as you can see, now it's crossed out, which means that the Do Not Disturb mode is disabled. But if you tap on this icon and then tap on the switch to flick it on, the Do Not Disturb mode will be enabled, and you can go back and you will see that the icon changed to normal moon icon, not crossed out, which means that the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. And then you can go back to the watch face by simply, come on, wake up. It's a bit wonky, this waking up. Oh, okay. It will automatically go to watch face, or you can tap on the back button to go back. Let's wake it up again. As you can see, I'm struggling now to wake it up. Let's open the menu. And of course, to disable it, we need to go back to settings, find the Do Not Disturb mode icon, tap on it, and then tap on the switch to flick it off. And then we can go back. The icon will be back to the crossed out moon, which indicates that the mode is disabled, and we can tap on back button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.